Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack. In this video, we will show you how to merge cells in Excel. If you want to merge a few cells, the first step is to select the cells you want to merge. Place your cursor in the first cell you want to merge. Hold down the left mouse button, then drag across the cells you want to merge. Once the cells are selected, make sure the Home tab is selected. Under Alignment, click on Merge and Center. This will merge the selected cells and then center the text inside them. You also have other merge options available. You can merge across merge cells or unmerge cells if needed. If you click Unmerge cells, the cells will return to their original state. You can also merge cells within the same column by selecting cells vertically with your mouse. After selecting the cells, click the Merge Cells option from the menu. The selected cells will be merged, and that's how you merge cells in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.